In this video, I'm going to show you how to install new plugins to Adobe After Effects. So all we simply need to do is exit out of the Adobe After Effects application. And once you've closed the program, click on your Start menu and search for Adobe After Effects. And then you need to right click on the application and select Open File Location. Then from here, we're going to right click again on Adobe After Effects, click on Open File Location, and then scroll all the way up to the top of this window and you should see a folder here called Plugins. So we're just going to double click on the Plugins folder and then double click on this folder here called Effects. Now this is the folder here where all of our plugin files are saved to. So if you want to go and install a plugin that you've already downloaded from the internet, then all you'll simply need to do is locate the file that you already have saved or downloaded from the internet. So mine is this plugin over here and it should end in .aex. Now once you've found this file, all you simply need to do is drag it into the Adobe After Effects folder, and if you get this message pop up, just press continue. And now once you've pasted this file into the effects folder, you can then open back up Adobe After Effects. Then if you click on window and make sure effects and presets are checked like this, then on the right hand side just search for the plugin that you just installed and you should be able to see it from this list here. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.